While you need to remove the door panel to replace the window switches, red arrow, some people pry out the seat memory switch to replace it while the panel is still in place, blue arrow. While you may have success in doing this, the door panels cost over $4,000 to replace, so I recommend removing them. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with door panel removal. With the panel off, take it to your bench and lay it on top of a clean, dry towel. To replace the window switch, lift up on the small tab locking the electrical connector in place, red arrow. Separate the electrical connector and then the switch mounts to the top, red arrow, and has to be swung out from the bottom. Release the bottom clip with the trim removal tool, blue arrow. Here you can see how the lower clip is released and then pivot the switch assembly up and out. When installing, make sure to set the switch in the upper mounts first, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. To replace the seat memory switch, squeeze in on the tab on the electrical connector, red arrow, and separate them. There are 4 pressure clips that hold the switch in place along with a hook at one end. Release the clips and push the non-hooked end out first through the front of the door panel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to insert the hook end first. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.